do the section right down the middle, from the front to the back. The section off on the sides. So what would we be using? We would most probably use either the serum or the hair mask, just to keep the hair in whilst you're plaiting. And it keeps it nice and shiny as you're going, and keeps the new braid hairs in as well.
Section quite smooth. Keeps the section smooth. When you're it's easier to pick the hair up. The products dry into the hair as well, don't they? They don't leave a greasy.
3 sections at the front. Take one underneath. Right. So grab a section at the front. Take 3 sections.
So you're splitting it into 3 horizontally,
yeah. And then we pick up the left side with the middle thumb, pick up the right with the finger and thumb, and then we pick up the middle, then underneath we pick up the left, and underneath again we pick up the right. And then we start picking up.
So you're scooping up a small piece of hair.
Yeah, and popping it into the side. So picking up the left side, and picking up the hair. Grabbing the middle, grabbing the right, see you later, and then grabbing from the right. Picking the middle, and then left, middle, and the right. And we go down that pattern all the way down to the end. Keep it nice and tight, keep it nice and close to the head. You get a little build up of hair at the end. Start brushing it through.
Yeah, because that can really hamper your efforts, can't it, if you can't get a nice clean section easily.
Using the product does really help keep it nice and smooth and really quite clean. Whereas if you had no product in there, it'd be very flyaway, very fluffy. Serum on again, just to make sure all the edges are nice and smooth, so they don't get any flyaway hairs at the top. Makes it nice and shiny, smooth, keeps it all a little bit more controlled.